Hello everyone, I'm Ruth from JIUHE, China. We are factory direct supply. Today I will introduce one of our hot sale series, aerial lift truck, which has wide and various application range. Once need lifting people to do aerial work, then you need it. The model I'm gonna show you today is 29 meters. Okay, the machine behind me is our model 29 meters. Let me show you the details. Standard we adopt 14 chassis. Max working height is 29 meter. Max horizontal working range is 20 meter. High strength aluminum alloy working platform. Rated load is 400 kilograms. Blowable width reach 3.2 meter. Vehicle length less than 6 meter, 2.8 meter wheelbase. Good pass ability. Standard unilateral support operation, suitable for narrow job site. Double hydraulic cylinder to ensure boom stability. Boom 360-degree safety verification. 7-section chain telescopic structure boom. Built-in broken chain protector. Soft lag alarm, providing all-round security protection. Manual and remote control changeover freely. Remote control with soft start and stop. Limit speed. More stable. The interlock system is equipped. Once the boom system and below system either is not normal, we will lock the other one to prevent the misoperation and prevent safety accidents. The interlock system is just one of our patents. For aerial lift truck, only last 1 year we already applied more than 30 patents. Well, the patents keep applying and increasing every year. The electric system is independently developed by our engineer team. We hear the client's feedback to do upgrading all the time. Once you use our machine, we'll surprise you. Okay, that's all about our 29. For aerial lift truck, besides this model, we also have the other model vary from 21 meter to 45 meters. If any interest you, welcome contact me. Bye bye.